If you're buying or selling in Oklahoma City, this one's for you. I'm Ann Bordeaux with First Class Property Solutions, and today we're talking about how much house you can actually afford in OKC. This is one of the most common questions I get from buyers, so let's break it down clearly. At a high level, affordability is not just the price of the house. It comes down to your income, your monthly debts, your down payment, your credit score, your interest rate, and what payment actually feels comfortable in your real life. A lender may approve you for one number, but that does not always mean that number fits your budget. Here's what makes this specific to Oklahoma City right now. OKC home prices are sitting around the $270,000 mark, and mortgage rates are still a major part of the affordability conversation. That means a buyer should not just ask, what price can I buy? The better question is, what monthly payment can I comfortably handle after taxes, insurance, utilities, repairs, and normal life? Also, do not forget to ask about local buyer options. In Oklahoma, some buyers may qualify for down payment or closing cost assistance through programs like OHFA. Seller-paid closing costs may also be an option, depending on the property, the offer, and the seller's situation. This is why talking to a local lender before you start shopping matters. The biggest mistake I see buyers make is shopping based on the maximum amount they are approved for instead of the payment they are comfortable with. You still need money for groceries, gas, kids, pets, emergencies, repairs, and actually enjoying your life. House poor is not the goal. A smart budget is. Bottom line, your real home budget is not just the sale price. It is the full monthly payment, your cash to close, your comfort level, and your long-term plan. The right number should help you sleep at night, not stress you out every month. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post real OKC market info every week. I'm Ann Bordeaux with First Class Property Solutions. Call or text me at 405-902-0262 or visit fcpsok.com. Let's make it happen.